Hi family, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to use cloves to strengthen and promote faster and healthy hair. So in preparation, I have my water on fire. I'll allow it to heat up and boil for a while. So I measured about 40 ml of cloves. Then I'm going to go ahead and add it to my already boiling water. So guys, let me share with you some benefits of using cloves on your hair. Cloves offer deep conditioning effects on your rough hair strands. It also gets rid of dandruff, it fights scalp irritations, and avoid premature graying. So after I've added the cloves, I'm going to go ahead and cover the saucepan with a lid and allow it to boil for 10 minutes on a low heat. So after it has been boiling for at least 10 minutes, I will take it off fire and allow it to cool down. So guys, if not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing, like this video, share this video, and leave a comment in the comment section. So I'm going to go ahead and attach my funnel to my strainer and put it on my spray bottle. Now I'm going to strain out the juice from the cloves after it has cooled down. So guys, I'm adding 1 tablespoonful of castor oil to the juice, since castor oil is also good in promoting hair growth. You can use any other oil of your choice. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, any other oil of your choice. Okay, so I just give it a little shake before applying it to my hair. Okay, so now after transferring the juice into my spray bottle, I'm going to go ahead and spray the juice onto my hair. So I have 2 cornrows on my head right now. I'm going to spray the juice onto my hair and massage my scalp. So guys, if your hair is weak and it's breaking, you need to use this frequently, at least twice a week. So guys, due to the protective style that I have on, I'm trying to make sure to spray enough of the juice into my hair and my scalp and massage it into it. So guys, on this channel I share DIYs on how you can grow your hair healthy and faster. So you can check out some of my videos in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video to your friends and family, and leave a comment in the comment section on some of the benefits of using cloves on your hair. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.